classes. My name is Shivank Maurya. Today we are going to learn about the body parts. I have lots of body parts. Do you have lots of body parts? If you have lots of body parts, let's say with me. Head, head, forehead, forehead, eyebrows, eyebrows, eyes, eyes, ears, ears, nose, nose, mouth, mouth, teeth, teeth, lips, lips, cheeks, cheeks, neck, neck, tongue, tongue, shoulders, shoulders, left hand, right hand, palm, palm, elbow, elbow, wrist, wrist, fingers, fingers, thumb, thumb, index finger, index finger, middle finger, middle finger, ring finger, ring finger, little finger, little finger, back, hip, stomach, stomach, belly button, belly button, knees, knees, heels, heels, toes, toes. So this is the end of the video. I hope you learned all about the body parts. Please subscribe to my channel Kubo Fun and Learn Classes. So bye friends, I'll see you in the next video.